Hi, this is Tom from MarineMax Maryland on Kent Island. Here to give you a quick look at a new arrival. This is a new model for scout boats called the 288 LXF. It's a large boat, beamy, 9 foot 9 inches wide, 28 feet 8 inches long. Makes for a large amount of volume, a lot of space to hang out, fish, cruise, whatever you want to do. Starting in the back, twin 300 Mercury Verado V8s with a joystick. One of the finest attributes of all scouts here is this large swim platform. Accessible full width, easy to get on and off the boat, in and out of the water or at the dock. Got to walk through here to starboard to get into the boat. It's got a very large bait well with access on either side. Fold down rear seat. Got some storage tackle in the stern. It's got the side door for easy access on a floating dock or to bring a large fisher board. Fish boxes, port and starboard, bilge access. Looking at the back of the leaning post, similar to the 260 LXF. Got the Yeti cooler with a magnetic lid. Keeps it open, very convenient. Storage on the port side for tackle. And whatever else you need. It's got a sink. Cutting board, cup holders, rod holders, rocket launchers up above. And you can see this black color, meaning this is the midnight edition. So it has black trim on the rails and hardtop support. Moving up into the helm area, got the Grigio color scheme on the upholstery, bolstered helm seats, 2 across, armrests. At the helm, twin 12-inch Garmin displays, Fusion stereo. It's got phone chargers, starboard and port, zip weight for your trim. Of course, the joystick, black Edson steering wheel, binnacle, and nice storage at the helm. Important switches up above, also has digital switching in the Garmin's. And here you can see the carbon fiber hardtop support. New innovation for Scout. They're starting to put it on more and more models. You can get it painted in Scout white or leave it traditional look, carbon fiber look, which obviously works well with the midnight edition, so they left it like that. Very pretty, as you can see. Inside the console, a lot of room to stand up. Here's a mirror, toilet and sink, electrical controls, and access to all the instruments at the helm. Moving up forward, what's becoming standard on the Scouts, very large sunbed in front, very comfortable. It also creates what we call the coffin box, massive amount of storage down in there. You can see the side boarding ladder for the opening in the hull, also the support and the teak bow table. Traditional seating in the bow for a center console with storage. That would be insulated with a drain, storage down below me on my feet, and then up at the bow, got the windlass with a wash down, with windlass controls at the bow or at the helm, rod holders up front, and then cup rod holders, so you can have a forward sunshade installed. Looking aft, you can see how beamy the boat is. A lot of room on either side, lots of cup holders. Moving back down the starboard side, we have rod storage on the side of the console. Fender pros for easy fender deployment. Just a great boat. Fresh and raw water wash downs. battery charger. Really well equipped boat. Great for all around boat for the Chesapeake region. Obviously fishing, but cruising, water sports, it'll do it all. It's got that incredible Scout ride, foam filled and unsinkable. Love to have you aboard. Let you check it out, maybe go for a ride. Again, we're MarineMax Maryland at Kent Island.